morning, it's time to rise and shine.
That song, Joker or something. This song makes no sense. It's like 10:40. Come Together is the name of the song. But it's like, it's 10:40. I need to put my clothes away. This basket here. See that right there? It's full of clean clothes. I'm gonna put that away. Put them clothes away. Alright. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna head out to Walmart. I got Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Pick and Save. Those are my stops today. So we're gonna see if we can get in an adventure. Woo! Why is putting laundry away such a hard task? It's like, I don't mind doing the laundry, throwing it in the machine, getting it dry, taking it down. Well, if we had a dryer, it would be a lot easier. Because it used to be, when I had a dryer, basically when I was living at mom's or had an apartment with a washer dryer, I would fold my clothes as I pulled them out of the dryer and I'd put them in the basket, and they'd be a lot easier to put away. I don't know if that saved time, but it was just seemed like it was a lot easier. My hair seemed very, very fluffy today. I didn't put any gel in it. I had gel residue from yesterday and also other residue from yesterday. I did put in the ORS olive oil stuff, just some serum to, combat flyaways or whatever. Most of what I was doing, my head was down like this, so hopefully it didn't make the back of my head not all flat. Well, here, let me set it up. Maybe you can see. Maybe I'll see after I look at the video. Alexa, stop. Is that fluffy or flat? I can't tell. I'll watch my own video and I'll find out. As you saw, it was fluffy. It looked great. It was just fine. For my type of curl texture, just tight up here but loose down here, that's just how good as this. That's as good as it's gonna get. Now, put on some shoes, and I gotta head out and get these groceries and then run them errands. I'm gonna do, let's see, what I have to do. I gotta go to Walmart, Pick and Save, and the Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna do Walmart first because that would be the big shopping. We'll do Walmart, Dollar Tree, Pick and Save. Nope. Walmart, Pick and Save, Dollar Tree. That's what I'll do. Or maybe. We'll see. I'll talk to you later. crazy. Today's Friday. Apparently, other people don't work on Fridays either. Walmart was pretty busy. But I got in and out, not in and out. I got in, I don't know what time, 1 something. It's about 2:30 right now. No, it's not. Hold on. It's 1:30 right now. I keep forgetting my phone. My car clock is an hour ahead because I never set it back for daylight savings. There's not really a point to it because it's going to go back to where this time in March or April or whatever date, whatever it is. Anyways, 9803 or 9308 or something 03, 9203, a little over $90 I spent in Walmart, and now I shall be heading to the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had 1 bag of pepper stir fry, and they had a bunch of bags of regular stir fry that has like the broccoli in it that I don't really like, but I got 1 of each. I had to like reach really far in the back to get one of those. I got a couple of things of spinach, a couple of mixed veggies like carrots and corn kind of veggies. Yep. They didn't have any green beans. They didn't have any other. We have corn, so that's fine. We don't got to worry about corn. So now we're gonna go last stop, Pick and Save. I'm hoping to get this done before it starts to get really bad out here. It hasn't started yet, but I'm feeling the temperature drop. So currently is 35 degrees outside. So not too bad for January, but this storm is coming. The storm is coming. So anyways, on my way out. Alright, I'm home. As you can see, blurriness. Food. Food. I want you to see my refrigerator before. This is before. The freezer before. Refrigerator before. You know, your refrigerator should really be stocked with things that are leftovers, that kind of stuff. But it's not. So now I gotta put everything away. Alright, it's experiment time. So I went to Walmart. Well, I went to Woodman's. I got vinegar. Oh crap. Ugh. Okay, so your regular vinegar. Then when I was at the Dollar Tree, they have this. They're calling cleaning vinegar. It says soap-free cleaning vinegar, but I'm not really sure what is the difference between. It was open too. It leaked. What is the difference between this one and the regular vinegar? So I have here my trays that I want to try and de-rustify. This one you see here has been well used, very rusty. This one also has been scrubbed a bit, but it's still rusty. This one, I just washed it with dish soap. But I'm still going to try this one. I'm going to try Kaboom Foamtastic. I'm going to do the regular vinegar here, and we're going to do the cleaning vinegar here. So let me set that up. Okay, so I predict the Kaboom Foamtastic will turn white as it does when it's done cleaning, but I don't think it'll remove any rust. So this pan will be very clean and grease-free because I know that Kaboom Foamtastic does well with grease. I did see the difference between the cleaning vinegar and the regular vinegar. The cleaning vinegar has soap in it, glycerin or whatever soap is made out of. So I'm still going to soak it. So I have the It didn't help. This is the cleaning vinegar one. They're full. The entire bottom and both of these are covered in the vinegar. And we're going to let them soak for 24 hours. It is 3:12 p.m.
You want the food?
I want you to listen,
Hungry?
not to
Eat
Russ.
food, hungry.
Here, listen outside.
Hello?
You hear this? It's not rain. Sleet. Though sleet, if you can hear it, is ice. Tiny, tiny ice rain. It's rain that's frozen that hits the ground. It sounds like that. It sounds like rain. It's not rain. We're gonna have a snowstorm. That's what's happening. Snowstorm. Hi, kitty. Meow meow. You're the kitty. Meow meow meow. Miss Purdy. Miss Purdy. She's getting real chunky. Her fur. Very, very thick, chunky fur. So, hopefully this will be the only snowstorm that we have. That would be awesome. So we had one early this fall, and hopefully we'll have, yeah, we had snow for Halloween. Nothing for Christmas. And now it's going to snow. It's January, so hopefully this will be the only snow we get. But we'll see. So I found this movie, AJ and the Queen, on Netflix. This girl comes from a troubled home. Well, her mom's a drug addict and a prostitute, and is never home. So AJ is basically fending for herself. And the Queen, who is RuPaul, is the main character. They have all the other queens that have been on RuPaul's Drag Race. Well, practically all the other ones. I saw Jinx Monsoon. I saw other ones, Vanjie. I saw Bianca Del Rio. I think I saw Darien Lake. I can't remember the names of all the queens. I am not a queen, so I can't remember all the queens. I'm sure if I hung out at all the queen things, I would remember all of them, but I don't. Sorry. But it's very entertaining. It's a TV, it's a show, or series or whatever. It's not a movie. So I'm watching this right now. Russ is making himself something to eat. So that's where I'm at right now. Russ made this. It looks like goop. It's so cheesy. I don't know what kind of pasta's in there, but it's delicious. I think it's maybe the lasagna. What do you call it? Hamburger helper lasagna. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but it's super cheesy, and I like it. Good evening. I don't know what time it is. Doesn't really matter. It's Saturday. I've got lip gloss on. That's why my lips are shiny. Lip gloss, lip balm, whatever you want to call it. I had poofy hair today because I put my product in upside down. Don't normally do that because I like it better when it's not as poofy. So I won't do it again. Tomorrow, Saturday, it started sleeting, as you heard earlier. It's supposed to be snowing, and we have a snowstorm happening, so J&B kitchen antics are not happening again. Because of this weather, we can't get it to work together. Eventually, we will start this thing. Alright, well, we're going to bed. So we'll have yourself a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Toodles!
Bye-bye!